Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today I'm going to do another Dutch pour. I just recently did a couple and I'm kind of like hooked on them now. So I'm gonna try another one. I've got a 10 by 10 canvas, something I did last year that I absolutely hate. So I'm gonna repurpose this for my Dutch pour today. The colors I use are gonna be listed in the video description, and I'm gonna put a base of white on this. I don't ever gesso or anything like that. I'm just too lazy. I'll admit it, too lazy to do that. I haven't had any problems just pouring paint over it and like this and redoing so far. Watch, this time this will be a huge fail because I bragged about that. So I'm just gonna rub it over top of the canvas, around the edges. I can always touch the edges up later if I have bleed through. Hopefully I won't. I am covering copper, that might be harder to cover. Okay. See how that does for now. You can see a little bit of the color coming through the underneath. I might have to touch that up later. Okay, anyway, I'm going to do a series of puddle pours here using leftover colors. I may have too much paint. I put spot on treadmill lubricant into each cup and I'm just stirring very gently. So I don't want to mix it in too thoroughly because then I'll lose the ability to get cells. I just will go ahead and try to use all this up. It's not anything I really planned, just leftover paint. This ought to be interesting color combination. We'll put a dam of white paint in front of this because we're going to take the blow dryer and blow backwards and then we're going to blow forward. Hopefully we'll get some cool lacing effects. Got a lot of paint on here. Let's see what we come up with. Last time I tried it on low, it didn't really do anything, so I had to move it up to high, so I'm going to start it high again. I think it might have to do with the consistency of your paint. If it's too thick, it's not going to really move. Look at all those cells. A lot of lacing, I love that. I'm really excited about this. Got some negative space, liking that too. All in all, I'd have to say I'm pretty happy with this. Let's give it a few minutes to see what kind of cells still come up and then I'll torch it. I actually want to blow it more this way, but I'm afraid to. I'm afraid I might ruin what I have here. So I'm just gonna let well enough alone. Sometimes I tend to overwork stuff. So cool. Oh, this little part in here, I don't think you guys can see it, but it looks like abalone, where the green and the blue mix together. It looks like a little sliver of abalone right there. I love it, it's awesome. See, this is still moving. This wasn't at the edge a minute ago, so that's cool. Okay, I'm really happy with this one. So I'd like you guys to stay tuned for close-ups, and I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.